Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, July 15th, 2014. U.S. stock market is closed. I hate doing videos on days like today. We had a lousy day today, and we've actually had several weeks of, fairly decent trading, a few bumps in the road here and there, but overall it's been pretty good. And today came along, it wasn't a disaster, but at the same time, nothing really went well today. We had like about $1,500 in open trade equity, and the close yesterday. This morning came in, market took off right on the open, and for a few bright shining moments this morning, shortly after the open, that equity actually had gone to just over $4,000, and then it just started to fall apart, and it's just getting worse and worse all day. I can't say anything happened today that was good. We had two really good trades coming into the day. One of them fizzled totally. JRJC went from being over $3,000 in profits. By the time we closed out, we had $84 in profits. Yeah, just all the profit melted away. CSUN held up for us pretty good. We made some money in CSUN, but everything else, the mediocre trades went from being mediocre to be pretty nasty trades, and just everything melted down, not really good. And then to add insult to injury, this market popped up right after the open. We don't like that, and we ended up getting into two trades. We only got into two new trades today, but one of those in CCIH, China Cash, just a disaster. And we're holding, getting pretty close to $4,000 in open trade loss in CCIH, and that's not over yet. So anyway, just all around bad day. We closed out negative $9,400 that we closed out, and we're carrying negative $3,700 going into tomorrow. Not good at all. Anyway, I'll show you these charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and I admit I've been staring at this chart, trying to figure out, what's going to happen next, what exactly is going on here. We had this nice bull spike down here, and that successfully, showed us that this market was going to go quite a bit higher, and it did in fact come out here very strong. Yesterday we made new intraday highs in the Dow, and today we made new intraday highs. Those highs right there shortly after the open, the Dow's never been that high before, but it couldn't hold it. And what's kind of interesting is we got a lot of volatility today. Actually, the range is pretty large here, and then it comes back and closes about in the middle. So what's going on? We only have two positions, and they're lousy positions, but I don't think they're going to get any worse. If I had my druthers, I wish this market would just sell off from here tomorrow, drop 200 points. Hey, I'd be smiling, because I don't think what we have is going to get any worse. And this would set us up very nicely for another run at this top, and hopefully be better than this last run. This last run wasn't good. We got all this movement yesterday right on the open, ended up getting into a bunch of stuff right at the top. It backed off. The majority of it ended up costing us quite a bit of money, and that's why we have these losses today. So this run up we had yesterday was not good for us. Maybe, and so see the thing back off again. Maybe we get a little more measured response to the top side and get us in stuff before it tops out. But if wishes were horses, beggars would ride. I'm looking at this chart, right? I do not think the Dow is going to sell off. It looks to me like it's probably going to take another run and very possibly take out these highs. But it looks to me like it's getting tired up here. But, today, you could almost see this as kind of another mini bull spike. I mean, the thing came down, the buyers came in and bid it up to slightly positive, and I just look at this, and this doesn't look to me like it's really going to fall out of bed here. But I would, again, I'm scared of getting into some congested sideways action here. We've been there before, and it tends not to be very profitable for us. Anyway, sorry for my long-winded discussion of the Dow here, but I admit I'm kind of puzzled by that chart, and I don't have any good trades to show you, but I will show you the most frustrating one. This is CCIH China Cash, and look at this thing. We came in here, we bought the high tick of the day. I mean, the nice thing about the high tick of the day, you never have to worry about making any money. I mean, it just was down from there. And the thing is, I look at this chart and I just, it just gives me the creeps. I mean, nothing would predict more that this market is going lower. And of course, we got this position going into tomorrow. So I don't, who knows what's going to happen tomorrow, but this does not look good. Anyway, very frustrating day. But this is Trader Bob. I'm still here. I can laugh a little. We'll have to see. I'll see you again tomorrow. That is on Wednesday.